Welcome back, guys. So right now is high time I introduce you to Google AI Lab. So there's Google AI Lab. Aside from everything we've been doing, there's Google AI Studio, there's Google AI Lab. So I'm going to come right here to Google AI Lab right now. So we have Google AI Studio, which we've gone through, and here's Google AI Lab. So let's come to Google AI Lab to explore all the tools we have on Google AI Labs. As you can see, this is the home for AI experiments at Google, where they have Flow. We're going to talk about Flow. It has Opera. It has a lot of AI tools you could see right here. So you could check Google AI Labs and see all the tools there are to Google AI Labs. So there are a lot of tools right here. If you check very well, when you view, you see tools for anyone to create, learn, develop, and play with the future of AI. So yeah, they've actually gone far, but most people don't know that Google has gone far. We're so focused on Chat GPT without having to look at what Google is actually building. So they've done a whole lot when it comes to AI. So when you check here, you see a lot of tools. You see some of it we've talked about. We cannot even talk about it all because there are a lot of tools at their disposal here on Google AI Lab. So all their AI tools are right here. You could see this is a new experimental app from Google Labs that lets you try on any look and explore your personal style. So you could check this out. You could explore it. Then this portraits, so expert knowledge delivered by AI coaches, starting with a personalized AI powered coaching experience built alongside. So there are a lot of apps here. There are a lot of sub projects here. So we have Flow. We're going to talk about Flow in this particular session, and we have Project Marina. We have a lot of them. We have Stitch we've spoken about, and we have Juice. We have Sparkify. We have, so you can check all these and come and experiment each and every one of them for yourself. Thankfully, you have a pro account. You can use it to check whatever it is right here. We've spoken about Notebook LM. Project Astra is still there, and there's video FX, there is AI overviews in search. So you have a whole lot right here. You have image FX, which we're going to talk about, and you have Axe Photos, you have text FX. This one enter a word and generate creative language possibilities for rappers, writers, wordsmith. So if you're a poet or something, this text FS would be better for you. A new way to search your photos with help from Gemini. So there are a whole lot right here. As you could see, help me script easily turn text into home automation scripts for your Google Home. So you have Firebase Studio. We've spoken about Firebase Studio as well. And you have Music FX. We're going to talk about Music FX. We have Google Vids, which is one of those things we're going to talk about. And you have Gen Chess. You have Gen Type. You have Talking Tools. You have Food Mood. You have Say What You See. As you could see, there are a whole lot right here. Just come check them out. So that's Google AI Lab for you. But in the next lesson, we're going to start looking at some of the important ones we could talk about in this course and see how we can use them for our own good. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.